Alright, I just finished the focaccia video. I made this focaccia bread and I tasted it, and it's outstanding. And I knew exactly, when I first tasted it, I knew exactly what I want, how I wanted it. So anyway, what I'm gonna do, I didn't have any red onion, but I had just bought some Vidalias today at the supermarket, so I'm going to put some Vidalias on it. And a nice slice of tomato. All right. Tiny little bit of herbs de Provence, or Italian seasoning, it's kind of the same thing. Just a tiny little bit. Yeah, a little bit more. Man, that smells good too. Whew. All right. Tiny little bit of olive oil. Do I got any left in this one? Yeah, it's probably just enough. I keep this bottle and I always refill it. A little bit of olive oil. And then the Alleege, or anchovies. We call them Alleege. I don't actually know the correct pronunciation in Italian, but growing up we always called them Alleege. I don't know why there's such a big stigma attached to these, because they really are good. And now there is that. And again, I already know I did a video like this, but not on this bread, that's for sure. Here we go. That is so good. Over the top good. If you never ate anchovy and you oh no, I don't like anchovy, try it. Especially if you make your own homemade bread. A red onion would have been better, but a Vidalia onion is still plenty good. And this is just outstanding. Oh, that's good.